Good afternoon, my Diamond Art Peep. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much. I hope everybody is having a good day. It is, I think, 104 here in Oklahoma, so it is just a tad bit toasty. I keep saying that so that I will not be going crazy with the heat, because I hate winter so bad. So I don't try to complain about summer at all. So anyway, so today is a completion of Christmas in July that is being hosted by Diamond Grandma. So it's Grandma's Christmas, and I have 4 completions here. Now, 3 of them you have seen, but the last one is a canvas that I did. So just to recap on these, all of these came from Amazon, and I will list all of those in the description. The first one is the gnome keychains. I hope you can see those. And I have not sealed anything yet. These were, and I apologize, I don't have my little book with me. I am going to grab my book, so I'm stepping off. I'm so sorry. Okay, sorry guys. So I am doing this recording at our local library, where they help you, and then they help you edit and all of that good stuff. So I'm a little even more nervous than I normally am, but okay. So the gnome, oh my goodness, you guys, the snowman, Saturday night, I will find it. I hope everybody is having a good day. Like I said, it's hot here. All right. Gnome painting, the keychains. They came 4 in a pack, and they are not double-sided. They were $11.99, 10 colors. The drip fill was really clear. The rendering was good. I enjoyed doing them. Okay, and then the snowman here. This was $13.79, and this is double-sided. And I got to work with glow-in-the-dark. I have not ever worked with glow-in-the-dark drills. So the outline, the white, and all of that was are glow-in-the-dark. The drill fill was clear. Some of the drills were, and I explained this in my first unboxing video of this, that they were, the clear ones were like really a lot of scratchy. You know, it looks like they were scratched or whatever. But other than that, everything he did was good. And everything was two-sided. Even the base wasn't. The base wasn't, but everything else was two-sided. Rendering was excellent. Very small amount of trash on either one of these. Okay? And then the last one that I have already showed you guys is the gnome. Now this was $8.08, 12 by 16. There's 24 colors, and the DMC codes are on the legend. The rendering is really good. It's kind of pixelated on some stuff, but for the most part, it was really good. The drills were good. The stick was really good on all of these. On this, There were some sections that you would put the drills down and then they would slide really easily. But other than that, are okay. No training wheels. But on where the white is, if you didn't get that right on the letter, you can see the lettering underneath. So if you look at it far away, you can't, but that's the only thing. Because I think these drills, I felt like they were smaller than normal, but maybe I'm just being crazy. And like when I say pixelated, it's like this is a little red robin, and you can hardly tell. It just looks like no, I think I think it's a bird, or maybe it's just a glove. And I added some bling to it, like around, like the blue up here and in the snowflakes. I put like some white crystals here in the snow to kind of give it more of a twinkly effect. And I didn't even think I should have put more. I should have blinged up the star there. And you know what, guys? This is not a bird. It's just this hand. And it's holding like a little bucket or something. But that's a little pixelated. But for the most part, I think it turned out really well. And like I said, I have not sealed any of these. So when I ordered these 3, and I thought, oh, this would be good for the Christmas in July project, and I enjoyed doing them so much, I got finished faster than I thought. So I ordered one more canvas. I was looking for a partial, but I think that this is turned out really great. I really love this. So this is a snowman. And now on this, the squirrel, the body you can see really well. The face is pixelated. And here's a robin. This really is a robin. And it's not bad. It's a little pixelated, but it's not bad. And then the puppy dog here, his face is pixelated. Now I bought some ABs from Joann's, the diamond dots, and so I put those in the eyes, and then I put them also in there's like this little section here. I did the diamond dots and here. But I really love this. Now this, again, I got this on Amazon. I got this during those 2 days of Prime, but I don't think that this was a Prime item. But I only paid $5.99. This is a 35 by 45. There are 27 colors. It's a round. And again, I feel like the rendering is good. I explained some of the pixelated. The drills were good. I had plenty of drills left over. I started this on July the 22nd and I finished it July the 26th. No training wheels. Stick was good. But again, a little bit of sliding sometimes in some of the places. The DMC numbers are on here. And this is not sealed as well. And so we'll probably end up giving this to my daughter to put up in her daycare. But it's really a really good shine on everything. I really enjoyed doing all of these, and so I had to stop myself from buying anything else because I'm going to be wanting to get ready for Diamond Grandma's fall y'all project that she's going to have us that you can join. So I was like, okay, I'm through with doing my Christmas, and I will probably order maybe one or two, maybe one more in the month of December. So this is my completion. I also have a Facebook page called Diamond Painting with Jack. If you guys would like to, I would love for you to join. And also, if you don't have any place to put your completed work, I would love for you to post it on my page. So this is just a really quick video, but to show that my completion is done. I hope that that you guys have had a great time doing your Christmas in July. Diamond Grandma is the sweetest person ever, and I'm so glad that she is doing this, and look forward to doing it again next year. She already said that she's going to be doing it next year, so I am looking forward to it. Okay, so if you have enjoyed my video, if you could give me a thumbs up on the way out, I would appreciate it. If you have not joined my page, I would really appreciate for you to hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell. It lets you know every time that I post a video. Thank you again for the people that have subscribed to my channel. It does mean the world to me, and I am hoping everybody has a wonderful the rest of your day, and stay cool and keep crafting.